So we all know our studio is a free or I can say free software for constructing and visualizing the bibliometric analysis for our case. And mostly we can see the page of the R studio, or we will work in this page. And this is the page, it's the page of analysis of for different data of bibliometric analysis. I will show you next. And our most analytical areas like countries production and many of things like affiliation production and authors production. Before I go, I want to show you something like bibliometric coupling, and if you know these things, that will be better for analysis part, right? What is bibliographic coupling? Just like bibliographic coupling is a technique where when two works reference a common third work in their bibliography, which means it's analyzes the reference part of any document, right? And co-citations also like that. What is citation? We know the citation is the measurement of quality of an author, of an source, like that. It's a measure quantitatively, but it shows the quality of any research area. And bibliometric network, we know the network build a connection between one document to another document, one author to one author, and bibliographic coupling is also there in the network portion, and countries relation also can show with this network visualization. And authorship, we know the authorship, different author's name in a document are there, like in a document like 3 or 4 or more than that authors are key. But how can we analyze them? I'll show you one by one. And productivity analysis, we are mostly focused on the either author productivity and journal and source or affiliation and countries productivity. So mainly these are the things we work on the bibliometric analysis. Our main target question is like covering these areas. Okay. So everyone should start your R Studio. Click, as before I am telling you, click on window search box and simply write R Studio. Will show you the R Studio. The simple step I'll show you. How can we easily extract your analysis things? Easily means how simple as can use the software. You can use our software as a syntax writing to analysis part, and you can use a package system which is already built in the software and use that by default. So we'll I hope all are listening me and follow these steps. Open your R Studio from your desk. You can see here in the bottom left right corner, there is a panel of packages, right? File, plots, package, right? Here you can see one portion is in right side is search box. You can simply search here bibliometrics X, right? You can see here bibliometrics. If it is not there, then what we'll do? Go to install and here type you bibliometrics. It will come. Okay. Click on this and simply install it. अगर पहले से है, it is already install it, then it will show
Sir,
you
in your
warning.
page also it is showing that warning was given up.
Yes, because it's already installed in my RStudio, right? Sometimes install नहीं होता है, then install करना पड़ता है. जो भी पैकेज install नहीं होता है उसको install करना पड़ता है. अगर install है तो आपको दोबारा करना नहीं पड़ता, right? Let's see. अगर install है और install कर लिया है, download completed, right? Simply write here bibliometrics. You can see here, and simply click on it. Click on the box.
Okay, sir.
It will show you to start with the Bibliosigny app. Please digit. I hope all you are done with that. To start with the Bibliosigny, and simply copy Bibliosigny. Simply copy from here and paste. Click on top of the table and paste. 3 बार नहीं करना है, only once, right? Actually मुझे शो करना है, that's why I'm written 3 times. आपको कॉपी करना है and simply paste कर देना, right? And select all Bibliosigny, जो भी words है उसको क्लिक करके select करना है and then go to run. इसको select करना है, then you can see here the run option. Okay, simply click on that, run. It will move another package or another, you can say like app system. It will move this page. Now we are move to analysis our data. So
रन कैसे किया था बता देंगे एक बार, रन कैसे किया आपने?
Okay. So simply यहाँ पर to start the Bibliosigny, ये पोर्शन आ जाए तो Bibliosigny को कॉपी कीजिए और जो टॉप पोर्शन जो टेबल है सिंटेक्स टेबल, यहाँ पर जाके पेस्ट कर दीजिए, राइट? पेस्ट करने के बाद सिंपली पूरा सिलेक्ट कीजिए इसको एंड यू कैन सी हियर द रन ऑप्शन.
नाउ आई कैन सी. थैंक यू.
ओके, रन कीजिए, इट विल रीडायरेक्ट. ओके, देन व्हाट वी शुड डू, सी Bibliosigny and data. You can see here, all of you, go to load data, right? Load data. Click on import raw file. Okay, click on import raw file. It will show you some added portion. Okay, import raw file.
Yes, sir.
And click on, now we are moving to analysis the Scopus data. That we should select Scopus on. Okay.
Yes,
and
sir.
browse it.
So sir, we have to do import raw files.
Yes, import raw files and then select Scopus.
So they are opening
browse.
this files, sir.
Then browse it. Okay. फिर ब्राउज करके जो एक्सेल और सीएसवी फाइल दिख रहा है उसी को सिलेक्ट कीजिए. ओके, स्टार्ट कीजिए. all we should start. Let's see what happens. ऐसा कुछ आया है पेज?
यस सर, आया है.
ये फाइल टाइप जो मैंने कल बोला था, फाइल फॉर्मेट टाइप, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ठीक है, will you collecting or retrieving data from Scopus, either Scopus or Web of Science or any database, you should all ready with the file format type. ठीक है, अगर फाइल फॉर्मेट सही नहीं होगा तो एरर दिखाएगा, राइट? So you can see a completeness of bibliometric data. You can take this one if it's needed. It's showing you the metadata of this data. Means you can see here the hierarchy of level of accuracy of data, right? You can see here the abstract, affiliation, author, document type. These are the most excellent portion of your data, right? ये सब complete है, इसमें कोई duplication और कुछ means अनरिलेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन या फिर कुछ डिफिकल्टीज नहीं है। ठीक है, देखेंगे अब नंबर ऑफ साइट रेफरेंसेस, साइंस कैटेगरीज, दिस इज कंप्लीटली मिसिंग, नहीं है, इस डाटा नहीं है। इफ यू वांट यू कैन टेक, हाउ कैन यू टेक इट? सिंपली सेव इट, ओके, देन सेव इट एंड क्लोज। ठीक है,
Okay, save it करना है
Sir.
पहले।
so you can see here the whatever the data is in the data set, okay, it will show you in multiple set of files। ठीक है, यहाँ पर जो कुछ भी है आपका डाटा सब कुछ इसमें आ जाएगा। okay, you can see here the different types of labels or folders are there within the app। okay, and simply go to overview, click on overview and click on main information, document, annual growth rate, author, single author and everything। ठीक है, और you can see here the plot। ठीक है, ये plot है, I want to take it in a table। you can see here, go to table, click on table and you can see here amazing means best thing।
We can save this also, sir.
yes, we can save or you can print। ठीक है, you can take it in any format। ठीक है, देखिए importance क्या है इस टेबल का। if you look each and every paper, bibliometric paper, it will you will find this table, main information about data। ये सभी पेपर में दिया हुआ है, मीन्स जो भी बिब्लियोमेट्रिक पेपर है सभी पेपर में इसको देना ही होगा, राइट? क्यों? इसका इंपॉर्टेंस क्या है? इसका इंपॉर्टेंस यही है कि दिस इज द मेटा डाटा ऑफ योर डाटा, राइट? मीन्स all information about your data। you can see here the time span means duration which is covered 2011 to 2021 because I filtered it, right? If you are not filtered it, then it will show you different, right? Sources, how many sources, how many documents, what are the average growth rate, annual growth rate, reference how many are, and document type, document content, and everything it is written in this table, right? You can take it simply from print option, print it। okay, let's see annual scientific production। इसको आप ले सकते हैं, मीन्स एनुअली कैसा साइंटिफिक प्रोडक्शन ट्रेंड रहा है वो इसको शो करता है। ठीक है, एंड उसके बाद देखिए एवरेज साइटेशन पर ईयर। ठीक है, सभी का ये ट्रेंड आया है, मीन्स एवरेज साइटेशन पर ईयर इस जो ग्राफ है, आई होप सभी का आया। ठीक है,
Yes, sir.
व्हाट इज इट मीन्स एवरेज साइटेशन पर ईयर, राइट? जो पर ईयर डिफरेंस है उसका एवरेज साइटेशन कितना है, नंबर ऑफ साइटेशन। यू कैन सी हियर नंबर ऑफ साइटेशन इन द लेफ्ट साइड स्केल एंड ग्राफ इज प्रिपेयर्ड अकॉर्डिंग, राइट? तो इसको आप दे सकते हैं, और अगर चाहे कि इस ग्राफ को मैं एक्सेल फॉर्मेट पे लेकर कुछ और दूसरे तरीके का ग्राफ में बनाऊं, राइट? मैं चाहता हूं कि मैं इसको बार में कन्वर्ट करूं या फिर लाइन ग्राफ, बट ऑल्टरनेटिव मीन्स कोई दूसरा लाइन ग्राफ में चाहता हूँ, तो इसको सिंपली डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं एक्सेल फॉर्मेट में, और एक्सेल में जाके जैसे हम लोग डाटा एनालिसिस करते हैं, मीन्स एक ग्राफ शो करते हैं, ऐसे कर सकते हैं। एक्सेल में भी कर सकते हैं, स्पेसेस में भी कर सकते हैं, राइट? सम पीपल आर यूजिंग स्पेसेस। ठीक है, ओके, वन मोर थिंग आई वांट टू शो यू, थ्री field plot। go to three field plot and here you can see the blank one, simply run this one is run। okay, go to option panel and कौन सा फील्ड पे, इट्स अप टू यू, जो भी एनालिसिस आप यहाँ पर करेंगे इट्स अप टू यू, टोटली अप टू यू। ठीक है, ऑथर्स का मैं चाहता हूँ मिडिल फील्ड पे रहे, अगर मैं ऑथर्स राइट फील्ड पे चाहता हूँ, ठीक है, राइट फील्ड पे ऑथर लीजिए, मिडिल फील्ड पे मैं अगर चाहूँ कि कंट्री लेना है मुझे, ठीक है, और लेफ्ट फील्ड पे एफिलिएशन लेना है, इट विल शो यू एज इट इज। देखिए, रन कर दीजिए सिंपली, इट विल कम। नाउ वी मूव टू सोर्स, most relevant source। our target is productivity analysis, right? Productivity analysis, most relevant source, which source has most most relevant for this topic and run it. It will show you. You can change it by clicking option. I want to show 20, which shows are most productive, right? See, the Asia specific viewpoint, sustainability, okay, environment and planning, Journal of American Planning. These are the source which is contributed more. Okay. What will happen? It will direct you how or where you should go and search your article, right? This is the major rationality of this study. Okay. And mostly people are showing top 10 or top 20 most relevant, productive, either country, journal, affiliation, authors, right? If you want to take all these authors, like top 50 authors, if I want to select top 50 authors, you can take it. Take it. It's not issue, but you should clear about your question, research objective and analysis. What you want to find from this bibliometric analysis. Okay. Here you can see the most local cited source. Run it. Means it will show you the most local cited. What is local cited? I'll explain you. Most local cited means here you can see in the documents. You go to the document and
It means within their own country. Within their own country.
yes, most global cited. It's not mean to like say the country. See, most global cited documents or most local cited documents. Most global cited means out of your data, means out of your data file, who is cited your data, means whoever the cited your article, but not included in your data, right? Not included in your data. These are the global cited documents. Okay. And after that, our most things, so we want to know who are the most productive authors in our field, right? This is the most means most demandable thing. I want to find who are the most contributing author. You can see here for this case. Okay, this is the result, and you can change accordingly. Okay, I want to 20 authors. That will help me to find these authors and whatever contribution is by them. Okay, you can see here, and you can collect this analysis by clicking on the export plot by PNG format. Okay, it will download it, and if you want to table, you can take it by as a table format also. If you want plotting, if you want table, you can take. As it is most local cited, most global cited authors, you can find. After that, authors production of article means sometimes some authors writing in a period of time. Okay. That means like some authors are write 2000 to 2010. After that, no contribution are given by him. Okay, you can see also how you can see here. You can see here. I can see what can we see? The Lee X is contributing from 2015 or 16 to 18 or 19, right? And Z, XI, ZY is contributing morely 2006 to 2010, right? So mostly our paper means other papers are means like demanded. You should cite those articles, those documents which are most recently published, right? Most demandable things, right? So for that case, we don't know. We are blind for this. That's why it will help you. Who are the author contributing most in recent time? Okay, you can find from here.
So this Zhao Wei, he is the one who is consistently writing. Zhao Wei.
Right,
He's
right.
the one who is consistent.
Consistent.
Others have lost their interest or they
Yes,
started working
sometimes.
late. Yeah.
Okay. Sometimes many causes is been behind that. Okay. So, and one more thing, most important thing, that is whatever you are done with analysis part, you should take a screenshot. Which screenshot? That screenshot. The number of authors, whatever the criteria you are mentioned here or you are taken here, you should take a screenshot for that. It will help you whenever you write. If you analysis on say time, and writing part will be later or like 15 days after, then what will be happen? You should lost everything. Means only thing is that in your hand will be there, like only the table or graphs will be there, but no means those are the criteria, those are the factors, those are the selecting parameters you are taking, that will be lost. Okay, that's why whatever you are analyze, you should take a screenshot, like options from options. Okay, it will help you to when you ready your manuscript and methodology also. Okay, show most relevance affiliations you can find from here, and production over time. Okay, which affiliations produce in consistently, you can see from here. You can see that's the amazing thing in biblioscience. Okay, you can analyze a data within a some minutes. Okay, and the great things will come out of it. Okay, and after that you can go to the countries. And where it is, countries. You can find corresponding author countries. You can take country scientific production, means individual country and their scientific production. You can find from here. You can see the name of the country as well as the how many numbers of documents are there published or their contribution. You can see from here. Just look at that, and you can see which country are no contributing. You can explain as like South Africa, whole South Africa's country, no contribution is there. Okay, just like that. You can explain in many ways. Okay, these are the things, and you can take it is in table format. You can arrange it for your where you write your manuscript, and after that you can see here most relevant affiliation, production over time, country scientific production over time. Which country produce in which time? You can see here. You can take this one also. Countries production over time means which country produce means what time. You can check the trend of production of any country. You can see here the China's production is more greater and faster than the others. Okay, and you can take in plot or table format as well. Okay, and if you want to data also all or take all data, you can just click show all, and it will show you all data. Okay. Okay, most cited country. If you want to find most cited country, which one country is most cited? USA. Let's see. The one result is came USA. Why? That means number of production from country China is okay, high number of production, but citation is more getting by the country of USA. That means the quality of, I'm already told you, the citation is showing like it is a measurement of quality, right? So you can tell a story like USA is the more qualitative productive countries. Okay, you can show or you can take many things from it. Okay, I will show you one by one. Okay, next clustering. clustering by coupling. Okay. You can show, or you can, okay, I think my data is lost, that's why not showing. Okay. Okay, see, co-citation network. Co-citation means one document cited two documents. Okay. The network is developed by this graph. Okay. You can check the histogram for it.
So should we use all these component when you are
No, no,
analyzing a
no, not
bibliographic?
needed. No, not needed. You should
Which-
focus first your research question, means what you want to find. Means generally people are looking for most productivity analysis. Which country is most productive, which author is more productive, and which affiliation, and which country has more cited, which author is more cited, like that. Most people are doing like they want to find the most productivity. You should read some more papers, means 5, 6 or 10.
Basically, the sense of direction for
You can see here. One more thing. Let's see. 47. Countries collaboration. Which country collaboration by which country, means which country work together. You can find from here. See, China and USA both are working together. How can you find? The linkage is there, and also the width of this line you can find. Okay, that is from this, and table is also there. China and USA are more